If you want to change the linked phone number to your VK account, then watch this video until the end, follow every steps, and then you will be able to do it. So let's dive into it right now. You open your VK app, you go to the top left, and then we go to the top right, we click the three dots, we click on Edit Profile, we scroll down, you click on Security, and at the top we can see our linked phone number. And when you want to edit it, so change it, you click on Edit, and you are going through this process then. You need to enter a new number, enter the confirmation code just like you signed up, so with being called and then entering the last digits as a verification. So that's how you do that. So yeah, you just click on Continue. I just changed my phone number on this account, so I won't be able to do it right now, but you just need to go to the process like I showed you, and then you will be good to go. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.